Welcome back to another RTE video. In today's Part 1 video, we'll be reviewing the new Amazon Kindle Scribe. In Part 2, we'll compare the Scribe to other e-ink writing devices such as the Supernote and Remarkable 2. So let's get started. What makes the Kindle different from all other previous Kindles is the ability to not only read books, but to handwrite in books, take notes, and annotate PDFs. So let's get started by looking at the Scribe's notebook functionality. To navigate to a different section of the Kindle, use the navigation bar at the bottom of the screen and select Notebooks. The basic layout of the Notebook screen will let you create a new notebook, create a new folder, sort and filter your notes, and access the Notebooks menu. When you create a notebook, you'll be able to name and choose a template for the notebook. When creating a notebook for the first time, you'll be presented with a walkthrough explaining the tools found in notebooks. The first pop-up explains how to do basic navigation. The next pop-up explains the toolbar. You'll learn how to collapse and expand the toolbar, how to select the pen, highlighter, or eraser tool, how to select the pointer, how to undo and redo what you've written, and how to move the toolbar from the left or right side of the screen. The walkthrough will also explain how to rename and change the template, along with how to navigate back and close the notebook. When writing, you have the ability to change the size of the pen, change the highlighter, and change the size of the eraser. Now, when looking at the handwriting capability, there are several features missing that seem odd even for a version 1 device. The lack of a lasso tool and copy and paste functionality may be a deal breaker for some. The other missing features would be good to have since many competing e-ink devices already have the functionalities, such as tagging, links, layers, handwriting recognition, and notebook covers. When reading a book on the Kindle, you have the ability to add a sticky note anywhere on the page. Once you create a new sticky note, you can either handwrite a note or create a text note using the keyboard. To locate all the sticky notes you've created, press the notebook icon at the top of the screen. Here, you'll see your sticky notes along with the notes location in the book. Under Settings, there are a few options for notebooks. Under Pen Shortcuts, if you have the premium pen, you can select a different shortcut. The button can be configured for use as a highlighter, pen, eraser, or to quickly add a sticky note. Under Book and Notebook options, you can turn on Page Refresh and the Vocabulary Builder. Final thoughts. When it comes to being a Kindle, its strengths are the backlight, Kindle Store, and the ability to take notes in books. What it doesn't do well is its notebook functionality. Even though it's a version 1 device, the lack of lasso tool and copy and paste doesn't make the Scribe a recommended writing device. All that said, the features missing can be easily added through a software update in the future. Until then, if you're looking for an e-ink writing device, the Scribe is not for you. There are other alternatives in the market that would better meet your needs. That will wrap up our initial review of the Amazon Kindle Scribe. Next up will be our comparison video of the Scribe, Supernote, and Remarkable 2. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This has been RTE, your technology and entertainment channel.